Welcome back to the Plays with Cars YouTube channel and the moment you've all been waiting for 3 years, seeing the Mad Max AMC run in the car it's been installed in. So the car is a 1968 AMC Javelin. The engine is a 1970 390 that's been completely rebuilt from the inside out, ground up. Forged pistons and ported heads and all that good stuff. And it's a Dyers 671 supercharger with twin 750 CFM quick fuel carburetors on it. This engine makes over 800 horsepower easily on low boost. It is an absolute monster. The transmission is a 727 TorqueFlite with a full manual valve body. That means it does not shift automatically at all. You have to shift each gear yourself with a torque converter to match. The rear end is actually still an AMC Model 20, although completely rebuilt, obviously. One-piece axles instead of the two pieces. It's got a spool in it. This particular car has 323 gears. The wheels are the 15-inch, got the skinnies in the front, and the larger ones in the back with the new Mickey Thompson ET Street radials are real nice. It is an original SST Javelin, although it was a very low option car. I believe this particular one was a 290 auto on the column, no AC, no power steering, anything like that, but it's obviously been completely hot rodded. The interior is still left to be done. That's the only thing left on the car. It does have good seats in it, the AMX seats and matching back seat, all done up in the right stuff, but you can see dash and all that still to be done.